Tēnā koutou. Kia ora is the Māori word for hello. It means good life, good health. And when someone says kia ora to you, it's traditional for you to say kia ora back, so kia ora. Kia ora. It's traditional for you to say kia ora back, so kia ora. Kia ora. Okay, one more time, kia ora. Kia ora. Can I please have the lights on, please? I want to see everybody standing up and getting involved in this activity we're going to do. So if I can have the lights on, please. We're here to teach you about haka. Wow, that's good. That's good. We're here to teach you about haka. Haka is about energy, it's about commitment, it's about patience. And the best way to share that with you is to get you involved. We're going to teach you haka, words and actions. So, can you please all stand up where you are? Push the seats into the chairs, and just give yourself some room. Oh, there's some volunteers on stage. Alright, so we're just going to do some simple warm-ups first. I just want you to stand on the spot, shake your legs around, shake your body, roll your shoulders, just loosen up a bit. Your arms are like this. Let's loosen up, people. And let's just do this exercise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This one's 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Left foot. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's go 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Now, when I do haka, the leader comes in with some words. I say taringa haka. It sounds like a swear word, but it's not. It's just saying listen with your ears and get ready, get focused. And then I'll say karite, karite. Get prepared, get ready. Kiamo, on kiamo is to grasp, to hold. And then there's an action. You guys might be a bit tight together, so you get a bit more space. Just come out to the sides of it. And on kiamo, this is what the men do. Your right leg, you got to lift it up. You put it down like this. Squat. Your hands go on your hips. Okay? Shall I show you that again? Some people aren't getting it. Okay. I say, karite, karite, kiamo. Okay, like this. Woman, you can see why she's just standing here, nice and strong and proud. Okay? Woman don't do this, woman do this. Okay? At the same time, I want to hear a beep. Okay? It's coming from here. Okay. Okay, it's not a who, it's a he. Good, one more time. Then I say linga paki, stay there. I say linga paki. Start staking your hands on your back. Then hand woman. Linga paki. Then I'll just say these words. On that, at the end of that, you do this action. Your right hand goes over your head. Left hand down here. Right hand should be opposite to me. Get by here. Okay. Then you swap over here. Okay. Some people are doing this. Or some people are doing this. I want to see. This is a nice strong action. You're looking good. You're looking good. You're feeling good. Okay? Swapping over. And I want to hear these words. I want to hear the word owe. One more time. Owe. Owe. Good, good, good. One more time. Owe. Okay, now you got to listen to how it goes. So we're doing. Well, let's tuck a heel on our legs. Bring it back. Oh, move on to the next bit. Ore wakarongo. Okay, hands down by your side, you ready? Karite! Karite Kambo! Okay, I want a big heat. I want a big heat from here. One more time. Ore wakarongo. Karite, Karite Kambo! Bring the fucking up! Okay, time. All at the same time. Then the next action is crossing over like this in front of you. Okay? So hands crossing your chest in front of you. Okay, one more time. Hands crossing your chest in front of you, and then comes down like this. And I say the words Kote Toka Tumuan. Okay, I'm talking about a solid rock. Okay, it represents unity. So Kote Toka Tumuan. And then this is where you guys come in. There's an action. It's this. Bang and bang. Right? So you're hitting your bicep, then you're hitting your elbow. Okay? And you want to do it hard. You want to go. Okay? Oh, one more time. And it's two tone, yeah, two tone, okay? Words. Listen. Words, we're having a short time with you guys. Words are two tone, yeah, two tone, yeah. Get that? Two tone, yeah, two tone, yeah. Okay, let's just do the words. Two tone, yeah, two tone, yeah. Can you try that? Two tone, yeah, two tone, yeah. With the actions. Two tone, yeah, two tone, yeah. One more time. Two tone, yeah, two tone, yeah. Okay, so this is how it goes. Got the dog, got two more, two tone, yeah, two tone, yeah. Got the dog, got two more, two tone, yeah, two tone, yeah. Okay, so on he. Everybody on he, hands on hips. I'm going to show you something. I'm going to show you something very unique, I think, to our culture. It's a facial expression. You might have seen the guys do it. It's where the whole purpose is about looking as ugly as possible. Okay? And we do that by using our tongues and our eyes and our faces. So I'm going to ask the guys to do pukana, and so we can give a demonstration. For women, have a look at why it's slightly different. You can't use your tongues, ladies. But I'm going to say, Torifa pukana, let's do it. Torifa pukana!